Um, okay, so right now we're gonna fix a little problem with our lever. We try to replicate it the most we can because it was fixed already. So our point is to make sure this thing gets to the right position again, like should be like this always the whole time. So what I used to do is I used to take my WD-40 because sometimes our cable can get a little bit dry, and start lubricating everything and then start playing with this. I already put some of this on this cable because I think we have the same problem before with this. And so the only thing you have to do is do that. You can do it also on this way, like from right here, and start playing a little bit. Also, if you move the bike a little bit, like with this position, you know, like this, the WD-40 is gonna start flowing like inside of this little cap right here. So what you have to do is play a little bit like this. Let's say 1 minute, I don't know, a little bit less. When you feel like it's good enough to actually when you think it's love enough. So after that you can clean it. I mean, I really like to have my area like this. You're only gonna need this. You see how is the gap? The only thing you need is make this little bolt right here reach that, and it's gonna be good. Right there, we're perfect. You can do a little bit less because the the distance to run is gonna be a little bit different on this one. So okay, we have our clutch, first gear, and we have to see the gap. I think when I'm breaking it right now. I think right here is good. You see how the bike moves? Yeah, we're good. I'm gonna put a little bit less, but you can play around with that. If you move this bolt a little bit in, the gap is gonna be a little bit smaller. You're gonna see this right here. Right there, you see how the bike moves? Right there, this little gap right here. Sorry. This little gap right